zeroing down on the most valuable prospects for your business is perhaps the most important function of a CRM system. And that's what we're going to be looking at in today's case study. So there are broadly two ways in which this can be achieved in any CRM. One way is that we draw up a list of people who are regularly opening our sales and marketing mails, right? So sales mails are the ones which you send one to one, and marketing mails are the broadcast mails, which is the ones that you send to all your prospects. So that's one way in which you can figure out, hey, these guys are opening my mails and clicking on my mails, and hence they will be these are valuable to me. The other would be it's like a filter, right? So it would be people who have recently engaged with your brand or with your mailers, right? Because you could have people opening your mails maybe a couple of years back, a year back, but unless it's in the recent, right, that adds this particular dimension adds a lot of relevance to your outreach efforts. So these are the two ways in which you can which you can qualify your CRM, the contacts in your CRM. And the way to do that in the HubSpot CRM is that there is a functionality called active list. So you have to basically go to the backend of the HubSpot CRM and figure out how you can set up this active list feature. You don't need any licenses for using HubSpot CRM. It's a completely free CRM product. So go ahead and just try this out. Thank you.